want to draw a super fun playground slider today? Let's draw it together, step by step.
Yay! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, we will draw the tall vertical bar. This is the stand and ladder of our slider. Just draw a long curved shape going down. Great! Now, let's draw the fun sliding part. Draw 2 curved lines going down, just like a real playground slide. Nice and smooth. In the middle of the sidewall, draw a big circle. This is the play tunnel hole. Kids love crawling through it.
La da 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 dee.
Now, let's add some little circles on the vertical bar. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp. This helps the artwork pop and look amazing. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color! Yay! Show the color pens. We will use rainbow colors today. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Blue color. Purple color. Wow, look at that! So colorful and bright. Great job, little artists. Your playground slider looks super fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more easy drawings with Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.